cliff so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Hello crafty friends, it's Caroline and I'm back today with a Not2Shabby design team project for you. This is for the February stamp and die set of the month and they are so pretty, aren't they? The stamp set is called Spread Your Wings. There are 9 stamps in total in the set. We've got one that says Spread Your Wings, It's Time to Fly, Sending Hugs, Hope, Whisper I love you to a butterfly and it will fly to heaven to deliver your message. Isn't that sweet? We have 3 small butterflies, a large butterfly, and a beautiful bouquet of flowers. The matching coordinating dies are included in the stamp and die set of the month kit. They sell out quickly and the only way to ensure that you get them is to subscribe to the monthly subscription available at Not2Shabby. I will have a link in the description notes below and you can sign up and get yours. I don't really know what I want to make, so I'm just going to stamp them all out on some white paper. We're going to color some of them up. We're going to use the dies to cut out all of the sentiments and images, and then we'll play with them and put them together in some way.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Alrighty folks, we have finished our project and I think it looks so pretty. These stamps and dies are they're just lovely. I was able to play with my new markers that I hadn't gotten to play with yet, these Primrosia markers. There was a bit of a learning curve. I am used to the alcohol markers, or at least I've gotten used to them, and these are water-based, but I think they turned out really cute. I love the colors. And then on the inside, I stamped the sentiment that says, "Whisper I love you to a butterfly, and it will fly to heaven to deliver your message," and went ahead and glued down one of the other butterflies that I colored up on the inside. And I just think it looks really pretty. All right, y'all, that's what I've got for you guys today. Be sure and follow the link in the description notes below, and go ahead and sign up for the Stamp and Die of the Month Club at Not2Shabby. It's the only way to guarantee that they won't sell out on you, and I promise you won't be disappointed. These stamps and dies are very high quality, and they're just a lot of fun to play with. It's a wonderful surprise every month to see what you're going to get next. And like I said, Jamie just has the most amazing designs. I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all. All right, that's what I've got for you guys today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're being kind to yourselves, and I hope you're finding some joy in your journey. Thanks so much, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.